Hey friends, come along with me into a land of sparkly fantasy. Sir Giggles is ready, brave and bright. Let's count dragon eggs in the kingdom of light. Mom! Through the meadow, warm and sunny, Giggles sees something shiny and funny. One egg glows in a tulip bright. Let's count together. 1, that's right. Across the bridge that wiggles around, Giggles hears a rumbling sound. Peek below, what a view! Hiding down there are eggs too. Into the fairy forest glowing bright, tiny wings shimmer in the light. Fairies dance with gentle glee and show Giggles eggs, though he found 3. Wow. Tiptoe softly, the giant sleeps. His snoring shakes the forest deep. Near his boots on the forest floor, Giggles finds dragon egg number 4. Up the windy hill so high, eggs float around like balloons in the sky, swirling gently as they arrive. Count them with me, here are 5. A magic carousel begins to spin. Sparkling horses wearing shiny grins. Each horse holds an egg to fix. Let's count together, there are 6. Yeah! Mushroom houses light the way. Bouncing eggs want to jump and play. Hoppin', jumpin', tiny and heaven. Giggles counts, and there are 7. Into the crystal cave below, rainbow lights begin to glow. Crystals shine so tall and straight. Giggles counts, and there are 8. By the rainbow river wide, eggs float gently side by side. On lily pads they fall in line. Let's count softly, 1 to 9. Deep inside the dragon's den, one last egg waits again. Golden light, our journey's end. Giggles cheers, we've reached 10. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, magic numbers we adore. 5 and 6 and 7, then 8, 9, 10. Let's count again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, learning's fun when we explore. 5 and 6 and 7, then 8, 9, 10. Hooray, my friend! The eggs all glow with rainbow light. Baby dragons peek in sight. Flying round with joyful cheer, they thank Giggles for being here. Goodbye song. Giggles blows with a happy cheer. Thanks for counting with me, my dear. Join the fun when you come again. It just starts at 1,